We are going to attempt to hike Mount Elbert, the highest point in Colorado. Me and the boys. But we have never hiked at this elevation before, so if we feel sick, we will stop and live to see another day, right? And we'll turn around. So we're gonna start right here at the parking lot entrance. All right, that's where we're going up there. We believe we're gonna take a quick restroom break before we get started, for real. All right, we are getting our hike started.
Can't have a fire or...
We took just a little tiny break to check out this lake. We're not quite at a mile, so we're gonna keep going and take a break after a mile, but thought we'd take a couple pictures of this lake. All right, we came to a fork in the trail. We are 1.26. It's been kind of downhill right since just before the 1 mile mark, so it's been pretty good, except that we broke Logan's pole. Sorry, Logan. But he'll be just fine. All right, we took a quick break just before mile 2. So far, it hasn't been terrible. It says I've gained almost 800 feet in an hour, and according to this phone, we haven't quite hit 11,000 feet yet, so that sounds about right. It's about to go up, and I believe in about less than a mile we should get out of the tree line, so let's see. Well, we are at 1,300 feet, 2.45 in an hour and 21 minutes, but the last good bit has been very difficult, much harder than it was at the beginning. I'll stop for just a light snack and some water, and then we're gonna keep going. But it's starting to get pretty tough. Well, we're still making our way up. We're hanging in there. 2.73, an hour and a half, 1,500 feet roughly. And we still got a long way to go. But we're tough. We're hanging tough. We got it. We got this. All right, we're still going. Quick update. We are above the tree line. Some nice views here. There's that lake from earlier. But we're still hanging tough. 3.16. Just under 2 hours. This says 1,800 feet. Again, I don't know if that's correct or not, but we know we have a long way to go. All right, we are still alive, still going. We still got a long way to go, but the views are just breathtaking up here. Not sure how the camera will show it, but it's amazing. 3.41, 2 hours and 13 minutes, 21:70 according to this. Again, not sure how accurate that is, but hopefully this shows up good on camera. And of course, even when we get up on top of that, we still won't be quite at the top. Oh, there's a hiker up there somewhere. We're still going. We're all getting closer, but man, that looks tough. And there's some people people up there. I think they're coming down and we're going up. Up, up, up. Still some awesome views over here. Got some water and a couple of snacks. And a quick check on 3181, 2 hours 38 minutes. Again, 2,600 feet. Don't know how accurate that is, but we're getting there. Making another pit stop to get our jackets out. See another group of people that gave us a little warning that it's longer to the top than what they thought, which makes sense to me. And they got really scared with the loose gravel and really windy at the top. So they said they turned back with about 600 feet of elevation to go, 13,800 feet. They had some younger kids with them, but not as young as my kids. So they gave us a warning. It's a little scary. So we'll see how it goes. We are still alive and we are still going. We believe we are at roughly 13,500 or 600 feet of elevation gain. Total elevation. Still gotta give a bit to go. We're at 4.51 miles, 3,300 or so. Almost getting close to 4 hours. So we've definitely slowed down, been taking a lot of breaks, drinking a lot of water, eating snacks, taking our time, but hopefully we will make it. Oh, I found a little buddy. Hey, hello. Chubby, chubby. Well, we have made it to the first faults summit. I don't know if it's the first one or not, but
I think it's the second one.
might be the second one. Oh, he went under his little rock. But we thought we made it up at least to a point, but then nope, we gotta go up that. We don't know exactly our elevation gain. We think we're just under 14,000 feet. This is 3,600 feet of elevation gain, 4.5 hours, 4.8 miles. Not sure how accurate that is, but we made it this far. We're gonna do our best to keep going. Views are awesome. All right, we've made it to the next fault summit, this pile of rocks. We're not quite there yet. We're roughly at 14,330 feet. We are struggling pretty bad, but it's hard to turn around at this point with very little tiny bit to go. Again, not sure how accurate my watch is, but we are definitely further than we thought. We read this was 4.6 to the top. We're at 5.27, still not quite there, but we're almost there. We made it. There is the marker. For a second there, I didn't quite see it. Looks like there's a Mount Elbert sign right over there. I told the boys to wait and I would confirm. Views on views. Can't spin too fast. But man, oh man. It's definitely further than we thought, but and a lot harder than we thought. But we made it. Yay, great job right there. Awesome. You are amazing. Great job. You are amazing, Logan. I think this is the I didn't see any real sign, but we will we will take it. Take what we can get out here, because we're not going any further than this. Except going back. Life's hard at 14,439 feet. Or whatever we are. Yeah. According to the cardboard sign. And we still gotta make it all the way back. We took some pictures, but we're so tired. And with little air up here to breathe that we're not used to, I think we're ready to just, we can only take so many pictures. All right, the summit is right over there. We came and made a little, we didn't make it, but there's a little area here that we're gonna eat a little snack, get some more water, and then start back down. This is taking a lot longer than we thought, but we can do this, and we will. All right, we are making our way down. We had not much of a snack. We got some water and rest, and asked if they wanted to. Here's our little friend. This area you can, the trail goes right, you can go around the snow or you can go through the snow, but it's a good bit of snow considering it's June 21st today. Not sure when I'll post this. Yep, there's Buddy in the snow. He likes the snow too, like you. You like the snow. Yeah. So are you gonna walk through the snow? I guess we will, just to say we did. We are hiking through the snow in June, almost July. Look at that. Oh, you fell in the snow? Good job. Huh? Good job. All right. It's starting to get windy, but luckily on top it wasn't too windy. So that's the other trail. This is the trail we're going on. Smoother than I thought. We know we're on the right path based on this app. Way over that. And I saw a bird and some other animals, but it's going a lot smoother, so that's good. I feel much better about it, even though it is still slick rock. Gotta be careful. We're still on our way down. We're at about 13,300 or so feet. Down this very technical portion of the trail. Water break. It's great again at altitude, but we know we're getting there. We made it back. We are done. We are back at. Yes, we did. Thank you, Brooklyn. 10.61, right at 10 hours. We survived. That was a lot harder, a lot farther than I thought. If I knew that, we probably would not have done this today, but everybody's gone. Oh, but we survived. Oh, cool.